Greetings folks, this is Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm going to do a product overview for you guys on the Buck 21. Now the Buck 21 is a non-catalytic model, which I really prefer, especially if you're burning like maybe not the best quality wood, because with the catalyst you can't really burn any type of paper, green wood, or wet wood, otherwise that'll clog up your catalyst. Now this non-catalytic model is going to be in the 70% efficiency range. So the Buck 21 is one of the smaller units in there. You will notice it does have a nice flat top, so if you wanted to do some type of stovetop cooking, you can definitely do that. This is going to be a top vent model only. This is a top vent 6-inch flue. So I'm going to show you guys inside the Firebox. You do have a nice fully gasketed Firebox door here. You will see these air holes located at the top. This is going to be your air wash. So this comes down and this is what's actually going to keep your glass burning nice and clean. Inside the Firebox, you do have standard brick lining on the sides, the rear, and the bottom of the stove. So I love Buck wood stoves because they're very, very low maintenance. Not a lot to go wrong. Basically, this is standard fire brick you can get anywhere, and then you have gaskets, of course, and then the only electronic item on this is going to be your blower system. So your damper control is located directly below the unit. You have closed, low, medium, and a high setting, so very easy to control. Again, you can add a blower system, in which case it would mount to the bottom of the unit, and then you would have control over that as well. So again, this is going to be the Buck 21 wood stove. Buck products are made in the United States, which is why I love them. So I hope that you guys find this product overview helpful. If you like our videos, please don't forget, give them a thumbs up, share them with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.